TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 109, Nasdaq's off 34, S&Ps are down 4.5. Gold contracts down $3.50, trading at 11.16 an ounce. Now, gold, folks, took out its swing point, has the volume, has the price spread. You're going to see gold run up to this 11.30, 11.40 mark. Silver's down 10 cents, $14.45. Silver's building cause to get up and over its swing. That swing is $14.65. Platinum is up $1.50 at $8.76. You have copper up a penny at $2.05. Light sweet crude's down to 34 cents, $31.11. Light sweet crude wants higher price. Last night came down to about $1, making its way all the way back. Bonds. 10-year down 8 ticks, 128.17. The 30's off 25 ticks, 159.12. Both the 10 and the 30, folks, failed on price, failed on volume as they tried to get into the highs that were generated on the 20th of January. To give you an idea of the volume structure in it, we got up on the 10-year yesterday with about 1 million contracts. Well, that 1 million was going into 1.9 million. Just couldn't handle it. Not enough buyers up at these levels. Fed's coming out at 2 o'clock with their statement. I suspect it's going to be a dovish statement. We'll see what that does to the commodity market, what that does to the markets in general. I expect what you're going to see, even with the Dow off 132, this thing wants to get flat. Inside the Dow, it's Boeing and Apple that are basically bringing it down. S&P is only down 9. You'll end up seeing, I suspect, that flat to actually positive. King dollar's down 133 ticks, 99 at 99. King dollar can't handle higher price. King dollar wants to go and trade down to the lower end of this consolidation. That lower end is there's two parts of it. One part's 97. We're at 99. The second part, which is a much lower part, is down at the 94 to 95 level. Euro is up 14 ticks at 108, and the yen is trading at 118.48. If we go over to the SPY, we take a look at the SPY. What you have is, with the SPY is this. This is a classic, meaning what we've done is this. You got into the bottom, which was on the 20th. That January 20th was testing the January 24th, August 24th low, dramatically lighter volume. You come off those lows, and you come off those lows with light volume on the way up. We go 2 days on the way up, we have light volume. You pull back with lighter volume than even we went up. What did we do yesterday? You start pushing higher again. We did 141 million shares yesterday in the SPY. That was going against 168. What you'll see out here today, more than likely, we're going to back down a bit, go flat. You'll have light volume. What that is doing, that is setting up a run to 190. I suspect this run will actually get you up into about the 199.83 area. And yes, that is absolutely amazing for a dead cat bounce, but that's the way this pattern is setting up at this particular point. And the deviance in the market is really cool because each and every day, of course, we're up or down 200 points. Gold, what do we have in the gold market? Gold market took out its swing point yesterday, took it out with price spread, all of the above. We're just laying out here this morning. We're at 11.16. Gold just has to stay above the 11.13. That'll build some cause to get up into the swing point that was generated October 15th. That swing point is at the 11.92 area. Bonds, I would say, pay attention to bonds more than anything out here. Bonds look to me that, guess what? We had the Dow down 500 points. Bonds still couldn't get over the high that was generated out here on October 2nd. That says a huge amount. We'll see how we come off that high. If we come off this high with volume on the way down, that would be another indication that the bond market has topped out. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051, or you can log on to everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking it right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.